Terry for Just Nailed It, and welcome to my channel. I have for you today an Aliexpress haul. So we're going to jump right in. I have this beautiful pink fur, which I got for taking pictures. It opens up to a great big beautiful piece. I think this is so pretty. But on camera, it looks like super light pink. Or a white, but it is pink. Love this. So, you may hear me putting everything into a bag. Let me see. Here I have got some chrome powders. This is by Untitled Beauty. I did order this directly off the website, not Aliexpress. I'm not going to demo this here today, but this is a chrome powder. Let's take a little look, see if we can. Oh, shoot. Oh, goodness me. It exploded on my paw. That is a beautiful blue color, as we can see. Let's rub this in a little bit. It is beautiful. Oh, look at that. That is just gorgeous. Oh, I cannot wait to try this out. I'm gonna put that away. Put it back in the package so I don't spill it some more. Love this. Untitled Beauty's always got sales going on. They're usually like 50 to 60% off. I have got some SS8. There are 1,440 pieces in here. They are ABs. And again, this is all from Aliexpress. You see them sparkle? You see more color this way, but you'll see the sparkle on this side of the plastic. I think that is beautiful. Cannot wait to use those. So, here we have got some little masks to use. I guess you could use them at Halloween, you could use them at Mardi Gras. Any old time of the year we could use them for costume parties, I guess, if you're doing nails like that. But I had to have these. Tammy's Manny has something like these, and I seen them and I just loved them, and I figured, oh, I have to find these. So I did get those. I got some little roses. Not sure when I'll be using those, but I do have them. Charlie's Nail Art. Check them out for flowers like that. And I am a brand ambassador for Charlie's Nail Art Supply. I'll put my code across the bottom of the screen. Look at these. These are just gorgeous. I love the multicolored, multi-size. Cannot wait to use these for the spring and summer. I have got some multicolored. These are leaves. Let's see if I can get them out. They come in silver. Get a few stuck here. We got hollow. And they are leaves. I don't know if you can tell. I know you don't want to see my mug this early in the morning with the pony. We've got orange. I guess you call this like a fuchsia color. Kind of like yellow. Another kind of orange or red. Purple, and yeah, oh, it's another orangish yellow. That's kind of cool. Got pink leaves. Another purple. Oh, we got all different colors. We got blue and white and another pink. Oh, that's like an iridescent white and white. These are all super cute. Cannot wait to use these, especially now that I know there's a hollow. Hello, Erica. Hello, baby. Gotta say hello to my girl. It's Nail Crazy Mama's daughter. Her is 2. She's my girl. I love her to pieces. And when I say hello, she likes it. And so I say hello to her. Oh, I can't get these back in. Oh, there they go. It's a tight fit. Next we have got money. Ordered these off Aliexpress. I want to do money nails. These don't look are quite exactly like real money. I mean, they do, but they don't. I have to talk to Diana and see how she did hers. Maybe with some play money, Monopoly money, and cut it up. But check this out. Oh, they got the money spread out here. They have In God We Trust. Amen to that. They have it over here too. In God We Trust. They've got George Washington a couple times. Your money, your coins. Some cash there. Yeah, had to have them. Now these here are some Disney princesses. They've got Snow White, they've got the apple, Cinderella, and the shoe. Looky there. You got some flowers down there at the bottom and up here at the top. I think, oh, then there's Snow White in the mirror with the apple. But Disney princesses. Oh, there's Belle. Alright, oh, they're all here. Gang's all there. Okay, next we have got, I don't even know what to call these. These are just beautiful. See all the different colors? I mean, I just think they're gorgeous. I really do. I cannot wait to use these as well. Starting to get parched, please excuse me. Okay, these I'm going to show you. I bought these at Meijer's. These were $1 a piece. These ones I've already used, but I've got the white, or the clear, and the green. For $1 a piece and 44 pieces, I didn't think you could go wrong. Now these right here, I have got red, clear, and a bluish green. They're square shaped, but they have the little, oh, you see the ones with the silver piece stuck up there? Or on here, where that's where you would put them, I assume, but they are little, like, ice cubes. I think these are just too cute. Had to have them. Here are SS4 AB crystals, 1440 pieces. It's gonna be hard getting them out of there. Can't wait to play with those. I don't know how many pieces are in here. These are multi-size, multicolored. Cannot wait. This will take up a few containers to put away. Love, love, love my gems. Okay, what do we got over here left? Alrighty. We have got like a pinkish purple glitter. So let's see if we can take a look-see. And it not explode on me. Oh. Look at this. That is just beautiful. Love this. Definitely be putting this to good use. I'm not sure the lid's on right. Okay, put you back in your pouch. Close them up tight. This one here, I think Tammy has this one as well. I'm not really sure what to call it. It is super, super fine particles, like glitter. I don't know if you can see the little shimmer on it, but it is there. Using this as like maybe a sugar nail. But I'm pretty sure Tammy has this too that I've seen. We have got some bows. One side is the side you put down, which is just the straight silver. And then you got your blinged out side. So I got 2 packages. I maybe put one of these in a giveaway. Let me see, what do I got? These, first I thought, oh my god, I ordered marijuana leaves. But they're not. They are clovers. 4-leaf clovers. I'm going to be splitting these up. I'm going to be sending some out to a couple different girls. So I can share. In this pouch, this is from Full Beauty, I think. Let me see here. Yes, it is. Full Beauty. These are butterfly decals. Let's see how I get them out. Or a decal, I should say. Just one sheet. Look how beautiful. Oh, it's crinkled. Super, super cute butterflies. I have a tattoo on my right shin, I guess you'd call it, right calf, of this butterfly right here, except it is opened. It's a big tattoo, but I just love this butterfly. Just love it. I'm gonna put that over there. Put that with my stickers. This here is a pink glitter. Look at that. See how beautiful that is? That would have been good for Valentine's Day. Still plenty of time to do pink manicures with the spring coming and everything. I love the Full Beauty store on Aliexpress, to check them out. I have got some letters here. I have got black holographic. Ooh, holographic. And silver holographic. Hello everyone. How you doing? Hello Erica. Hello baby. Love the hollow lettering. Cannot wait to use those. Throw that away. Now this right here, I seen on Catherine Ford's channel. I had to have them. They will do nothing but benefit me. I just have to get myself to use them. They are practice training cards for freehand. You can do all kinds of things. I didn't notice a zebra. These were only a couple bucks. So very excited. This is the one I believe she used on her video, where she did these and these here. She showed you how to get them off your card and you save them and use them for a manicure. So check out Catherine Ford or Catherine Nails Design. They're all different kinds of practice training cards, as you see. They got butterflies and lilies, calla lilies, butterflies there. All different sorts of things. Cannot wait to use these. Put this two on the top. These are great to have for the beginner, and I guess you could still call me 3 years later the beginner. I'm not good at freehand. It's something I want to improve on, and these will immensely help me. I did order brushes. They have not came yet. I ordered them at the same time as the practice cards. Training cards they're called. But these were under $5, and you get, I mean, they're good. They're laminated. You can wipe them off, you know, redo over. You don't have to cure them. You can cure them and make your own decals, so to speak, for your manicure. These are such a great, great idea. This reminds me of a Morning Glory. Roses. Can't wait to play with these. Well, let me take a quick gander around here. That is my haul for today from Aliexpress. Please leave a comment down below. Let me know what you think. Please subscribe to my channel and click that bell. Don't forget to click the bell, folks. That way you get notified of all future videos. Your support is so important here. Without your support, my channel wouldn't make it. A lot of people lately are skipping through the ads, and I beg you not to do so. That affects my revenue. And my revenue is down by half of what it was before. Everybody worked so hard to get me monetized, and I feel like I'm being cheated because, and it's not just me, there's other channels. I'm not going to name names. But our revenue was down where people are just skipping through those ads left and right, and either, you know, skipping through the videos too, or what have you. But please, 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 play the ads, play the commercials. If it's like a 3-minute ad, skip. I understand that's where a lot of my revenue would come, you know, from the longer ads, but I ask you to please play them. I mean, otherwise, I'm not making any coin. There is no revenue, so it's like, what's the point in being monetized if I'm not making any revenue? The revenue will help me buy more nail products, which in return I can share with you. So I ask you, from my heart to yours, or to you, however you want to word that, please play the ads. Do not skip. It's very important to me, not just to me, but to other people who are monetized here on YouTube, other nail ladies. I feel like my voice is getting deeper. Excuse me, that was kind of rude. I was getting parched. I don't want to sound like a mad, crazy, ranting woman here. And this video's running way longer than I anticipated, but please don't skip the ads. Subscribe, comment, share, give a thumbs up, because we do appreciate those too. The algorithm, I think is how you say it. That's where those count. All that counts when it comes to that, and it lets people know whether if they like what they're seeing on my channel. And a lot of people lately aren't doing that. Whoops. Whoopsie. So, I'm going to bring this video to a close. We have ran over. Please subscribe, comment below, watch the ads. Have yourself a blessed day, and thank you.